Hello, good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned about a good home, isn't it? Yes. We all would like to have a good home. We like to live in a good home, isn't it, children? Now, what are the features of a good home? Yes, a good home has doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the rooms. Again, a good home has also wire netting on doors and windows to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. Isn't it, children? Again, some features are there. A good home has good ventilation in order to allow fresh air to move inside a room. And again, what we learned? Yes, we learned we should keep our homes neat and clean. That is also very important, children. We should keep our homes neat and clean. All these things we learned in the previous class. Children, are you keeping your house neat and clean? Yes, you should keep your house neat and clean. You should help your parents in keeping your house clean. Okay, children. Now, today, please take page number 67. Let's remember, we like to live in a good home. Yes, we all of us like to live in a good home. A good home has doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the house. Yes, once again I will read. A good home has doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the house. Doors and windows should have wire netting to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. See, children, most of the houses, we can see there is no wire netting on doors and windows. That's why we can see inside of the house many flies and mosquitoes. So what we should do? We should have a wire netting on doors and windows. Okay, children. Then a good home has good ventilation. We should keep our homes clean. That is very important. Though you are small children, you can help your parents to clean the house. Okay. Then just see keywords. What are the meanings of ventilation, ventilator, stay? Okay, first, ventilation. Movement of air inside a room or a house. That is the meaning of ventilation. Once again, children, ventilation means movement of air inside a room or a house. The next, ventilator. An opening near the ceiling of a room. Ventilator, an opening near the ceiling of a room. The next, stale. Something which is not fresh. We used to say, no, children, stale, don't eat stale food. Yes, stale means old or not fresh. So something which is not fresh. Choices are given here, children. Let us see what are they. First one, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Choices are given here. You can write correct option. Okay, children. First one, the house we live in is called our dash. Two options are there, home or cave. Yes, the answer is home. The house we live in is called our home. The second one, dash kills germs, air or sunlight. Yes, the answer is sunlight. Sunlight kills germs. Third, windows allow dash air to enter inside the house. Options, fresh or stale. Yes, answer is fresh. Windows allow fresh air to enter inside the house. The next, Windows have wire netting to stop dash from coming in, air or flies and mosquitoes. Yes, the answer is flies and mosquitoes. Windows have wire netting to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. Then fifth one, a good home has dash ventilation. Options good or no. Yes, the answer is good. A good home has good ventilation. The next bit, children, write T for true or F for false. The first one is sunlight lets germs spread. Yes, it is false. Sunlight lets germs spread. That is false. Sunlight helps germs to die or kill, isn't it? The next, doors and windows should not have wire netting. That also wrong or false. Doors and windows should have wire netting, isn't it, children? So here it is false. Then next, openings near the ceiling of a room are called ventilators. True. Isn't it? That is true. The next, warm and stale air rises up. Yes, that also true. The next, we should keep our homes clean. Yes, that also true. Okay, children. The next, answer the following questions. Three questions are there, children. The first one is, why should windows have wire netting? Why should windows have wire netting? Yes, the answer is windows and doors have wire netting to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. Okay, because of this wire netting, it will stop flies and mosquitoes to enter the house. So we should have wire netting on windows and doors. Then second question, what do you understand by ventilation? Once again, children, what do you understand by ventilation? The answer is movement of air inside a room or a house is called ventilation. Movement of air inside a room or house is called ventilation. The next question, name any three features of a good home. Name any three features of a good home. First point, a good home has doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight. Yes, that is the first point, children. A good home has doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight. Then second point, doors and windows should have wire netting to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. Yes, children. Second point, doors and windows should have wire netting to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. We should not allow any flies and mosquitoes to enter the house. So that we should have wire netting on doors and windows. Then third point, a good home has good ventilation. A good home has a good ventilation. So if you want to have a good home, we should have proper and a good ventilation. So these are the three important features for a good home. The next, think and answer. First one, see here some pictures are given here, children. Just to observe that and answer. First one, Mohan keeps falling sick all the time. What is missing in his house? What is the answer, children? Mohan keeps falling sick all the time. What is missing in his house? Yes, you can see that there is no wire netting on the windows, isn't it? So flies will come inside and it will sit on his food what he eats, isn't it, children? So he may fall sick. So what we should do? We should have wire netting on the windows. The next one, why are there so many flies and mosquitoes in Pooja's house? See, children, you can see many mosquitoes are going line, isn't it? As if we are going for assembly. In that way, the mosquitoes are going inside the house. So, why are there so many flies and mosquitoes in Pooja's house? Yes, there also we can't find wire netting on the windows, isn't it, children? So, windows and doors are opened and there is no wire netting. So, that's why flies are going inside when it opens. So, it is very, very important that there should be wire netting on windows and doors so that flies and mosquitoes won't come inside. Isn't it, children? Okay, children, the chapter is over. Read the lesson and learn all the exercises, hard words, spellings. It is important, children. You have to learn all the spellings and also you should learn how to read and learn fill in the blanks, true or false, and answer the following. Okay, children. So I will send these notes also. All of you write neatly in your classwork without any mistakes. So read the lesson many times and learn it. Okay, children. Thank you.